Well, sad to say, we struck out again at the South Beach campground. So we drove a little ways up north on 101 and stopped at the Kalaloch campground, and there are a bunch of spaces available still. So we grabbed one to spend the night. It cost $22, and this is going to be our car camping trip number 3, night number 6, I think. Please enjoy the vlog. That's what I'm talking about. Well, it's about 12:30 right now. We just finished setting up camp, and we're gonna go explore the beach. So over there is Kalaloch Lodge, about maybe $200 to $300 a night. And our campsite is over here somewhere, $22 a night. Well, it's 3:30 right now. We're on a nature walk. I have to say it's a little bit chilly, but it's pleasant. The There's no sun, mostly cloudy at the moment. Now just before 4 o'clock. We're almost done with our little nature walk. Well, the forecast calls for rain. 80% chance of rain at 4 o'clock. So I put up a tarp just in case. Not bad. First time putting it together. I'll just set up our kitchen. So if you happen to wonder how we sleep in here, it's pretty simple. We got a sleeping bag set up on top of air mattress, camping mattress. And we pack everything up to the front. Our power banks tucked behind the seat here. So that's how we charge our phones and watch. Pretty simple setup. And also our sunroof is open, so at night if it's clear we can see the stars. And I also got all the windows covered with Reflectix, custom made by me. So we're just chilling until it's time for dinner. Tonight menu is steak. 6:30. It's about sunset time. We're now going out for an after dinner walk. That steak was delicious. We'll have to do that again. Hey, good morning. It's 5 minutes after 7. It's still dark. It's raining outside. The missus is still sleeping. So I'm just hanging out in the back of my wagon, waiting for daylight. I don't think the rain is gonna let up, so we'll have to improvise inside our little wagon. I guess that's van life sometimes on a little one. It's now 7:25. It's a little bit more light out now, but it's still kind of wet. Well, it was a pleasant night right by the ocean. And I'm getting coffee going. It is 7:45.